morning, everyone. Good morning. Okay. So I'm gonna put some video for our company. So just wait for more attendees come.
Not inborn. Carrying more of a healthy state of mind, full of energy, enthusiasm, and life. A smile, the most beautiful expression of beauty in the world, which brings joy and hopes quietly, is worth of being remembered forever. As the light of pole star, piercing the darkness of sky, pointing us the way ahead. We sculpture the smile into permanent beauty, believing the happiness will boost confidence. A precious diamond takes millions of years to form. A royal road needs to be followed by many people from being desolated. Each product of Besmile runs through day and night research, embedded in passion and concentration, sculpting the most attractive smiles in the world, grabbing every smile, flashing by at every important moment. 对于贝斯米来说，你在研发上控制能力除了大量的投入，而对于品质的控制，我们有非常严苛的要求。每一件产品的出厂都会经过至少22道以上工艺检测。我们希望每一件产品都是我们贝斯米的品质标准。Keeping the ultimate pursuit for A-class zirconia, we insert smiles into every desk only for a lifetime commitment. Wherever we are and whatever we do, the goal of achieving diamond quality will not change, as well as the unbending contribution to the world. 我们所有的努力和付出，不仅仅是为了让贝斯美成为业内的可票产业供应商，更是为了让更多的患者享受更优质的产品。Ongoing optimizing and upgrading, together with friendly environments, prudent scientific attitudes, and cutting-edge technologies, we face challenges with vision and direction. Cold technology turns into warm smiles. We bring smiles to you, allowing you to smile at the world. There is more than one way to express beauty and millions of possibilities to become healthy. Both are what Besmile dedicated to provide for you, in that we respect the value of life, and we cherish eternal angelic kindness of the world. Closer to nature, chasing a dream, and climbing a peak, we are undaunted by the difficulties and challenges confronting us. We will get our dream fulfilled. With support of our team and customers on this path, we are not alone. Healthy footprints and beautiful smiles will spread around the world. Wisdom and faith will create winning technology. Technology creates the best smile. We are Besmile.
Okay, let me see. So let me introduce our panelist, Chloe, to start our webinar today. Okay.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our webinar today. My name is Chloe, and I'm very appreciated to be here to share the ultimate CAD/CAM solution provided by Besmile. So I'd like to start our meeting. Oh, let's see. And before we start, I have you kindly reminder, if you have any question during the webinar, don't hesitate to type them in questions in the question box, and we will address them at the end. And now let's take a quick look of the Capcam workflow. Imagine a situation. The clinic gets a patient come in, and the dentist check, and they need to communicate about the problem. So in this step, we can have smile teeth for the better communication between dentists and patients. And this app is a CAD-based software which you can show the patient what treatment we can take and how is the treatment going. For example, they may not understand why lose one teeth, but you have to pay for a 3-unit bridge. And by this video demonstrating in the app, the patients can clearly know what therapy will be taken and why this is the best solution for such case. And let's have a look at another function. And this part provides you with various knowledge about the dental disease. For instance, this is the progress of the caries. If we don't take care of the decay of the teeth, this will damage the surface of the teeth from the palm to the root. And more critically, the alveolar bone and gum will recede, and the teeth will eventually fall out. And after watch videos like this, the patient will realize, if he doesn't take measures now, how serious the problem will be and how serious the frequency will be. And moreover, on this app, it's able to draw the ideal teeth to customize dental aesthetics. It looks like DSD, but it's more easy and convenient. And you can let patients know the intuitive effect in their mouth and let them see the before-after comparison, and which enhance their intention to pay more bills. And after dealt with this case, what we need to do next is to use an intraoral scanner or lab scanner to get impression. And Besmile offers both solutions. I'd like to show you the intraoral scanner. If you have an intraoral scanner like this, you can get a digital impression quickly and precisely. It's crucial because the impression is the foundation of the whole Capcam workflow. And after that, match and select the proper color by Aconia Shade Guide and choose materials. And then the lab can design and manufacture the restoration with CAD and CAM software. We provide ExoCAD and 3Shape as well. To produce the restoration, the milling machine and consumable is needed. We provide 3 different types of milling machine: 4-axis dry mill, 4-axis wet mill, and 5-axis dry mill. And also we offer PEEK, zirconia blanks, glass ceramic, pre-mill, milling burns, stay and glaze, and also other consumables. When the restoration is properly milled, it needs to be sintered. And here we offer fast and standard sintering furnace to satisfy different needs. And after polish, stay, and glaze, the restoration is finished. And that's the whole solution Besmile provides. And what we are focusing on today are the milling machine and the sintering furnace. For the milling machine, I'd like to introduce our best seller first, the BM520D. And this is a 5-axis dry milling equipment with 5-micron repetition accuracy. And first of all, it is capable to handle complicated case in the advantage of the 5-axis simultaneous processing. You can see there are XYZ based on the main spindle for 3 dimensions, and A, B axis is to provide big angles that the mill burr can reach more area, so it can handle more indications. Let's see. And due to our progressive technology, this 5-axis simultaneous always allows excellent fits without restriction on shapes of restorations. And since it's able to conduct large angle progress, it also can handle better undercuts in crowns of the multi-unit bridges, especially for those made by the multi-layer discs. As we can see from the video on the left, the grinding orientation must be changed to ensure the consistent incisor color and translucency. However, there would be undercuts area shown on the right with a large angle that 4-axis milling machine can hardly reach to. And that's why we need the M520D to make those complicated restorations available. And BM520D also can achieve 90-degree vertical processing as well. And this is the common milling, and this is the Besmile vertical milling. You can see. We can easily see the difference of the buckle side and those lines over here. And this kind of details only 90-degree process enables to mill. Compared with the common milling, Besmile advanced milling is finer, smoother, and saves manual work. Unlike those aged people whose gingiva shrink and more cervical texture is exposed. If we choose common milling, the texture needs manual grinding, which means low efficiency and high risk of edge breakage. So no worry if you use our 520D. And this video shows us how the 90-degree progressing deal with the texture on the buckle side. And what's more, I'd like to share why it's a cost-saving equipment. For the clamps, the earliest full round clamp and the semi-circle clamp on the market need more raw materials for milling, and thus we offer our unique 1/3 clamp, which is able to save you zirconia blanks. And let's have a look of how 1/3 clamp works. You can arrange 67 copings in one disc. And in the previous video, as we can see that the 1/3 clamps help us to mill up to 67 copings at one time, while here we can see that use our 1/3 clamp can mill 38 crowns at one time, which saves 15% material compared with the round clamp. So we can do a calculation actually. Say you use 100 discs a month, and you can save 15 discs. So you can calculate the amount that you can save in 1 year if you use our milling machine for your boss. Of course, except those capabilities, BM520D is also a user-friendly and time-saving assistant for labs. It is compatible to zirconia, PMMA, wax, wood, and also for all indications, especially good at abutment with big angle and multi-unit bridge. And these are the pictures from our clients. We always receive pictures, positive feedback from them. You see, a goodwill will make things easier. And all right, and let's move to BM430D. Compared with 520D, 430D is more suitable for the CAD-CAM starter. What you all need to do is just tap the screen and follow the prompts. And with the same 5 micron repetition precision and 10 micron installation accuracy on the market, make the milling more precisely. And also, although this mill is more compact with only 70 kilogram small body, the operation is also simple and convenient. And besides, we also got the wet milling machine, which is our 420W. This is the perfect solution for the glass ceramic, titanium discs, pre-mill and peak discs. It's robust, equipped with 1800 watt high performance spindle, and the AC servo motor guarantees 5 micron repetition, and the assembly accuracy of each axis is within 10 micron, and you are able to have 2 clap options. And this mill can engrave 10 titanium pre-mills at one time, and the automatic milling burn switch function saves up to 9 minutes of the whole progress. What does the 9 minutes means to the labs, you may ask me. And let's see, if you have 200 pre-mills order per day, and you can save 180 minutes, which equals to 3 hours by using our 420W compared with other 4-axis mills. So mill more orders save you more time, and it's the best choice for those urgent and big orders. And you can see the milling time for the titanium single crown is within 30 minutes, a glass ceramic single crown within 20 minutes, and abutment within 22 minutes. We provide 2 kinds of claps, round clap for the titanium discs, and pre-mill, and a square clap for glass ceramics. You can choose the proper one according to your demands. And these masterpieces are milled by our 420W. Veneer, inlay, unlay, anatomy crown, posterior crown, crown bridge, abutment, and metal crown. In conclusion, all our dry and wet milling machines are user-friendly, concise and touch screen. Sorry. All our dry and wet milling machine and friendly, the concise touch screen and remote support, which means when the technical support is needed, our team will respond as soon as possible. And furthermore, the unique breakpoint resume function saves you from the operation failure due to the emergency power off. It can continue working from where you stopped before. But with other brand milling machine, if you are in trouble of emergency power off, the only thing you can do is wasting the disk and get a new one to start from the beginning. So this function not only saves your time, but also saves your materials. Obviously, after the milling progress, the next digital step is to sinter our restorations. In Besmile, we are offering 2 kinds of furnaces, BSM S30 and BSM F40 furnace. S refers to standard, while F refers to fast. First of all, both of the furnaces have large capacity that can sintering up to 70 zirconia single crown at one time. So you have a lot of sintering time compared with using only one laser furnace. Secondly, the true color touch screen makes your operation easier, and you don't have to press buttons one by one. And moreover, you can edit programs according to your different zirconia blanks, give you various choice. And what I want to highlight here is our heating element, the high purity silicon molybdenum rod. And the pros of the rod are extremely extinct. It's environmental friendly and pollution free, which means it will cause the chroma degradation and easy to clean. And in addition, the maximum sintering temperature can reach 2912 Fahrenheit, which means it can basically match all the zirconia sintering temperature on the market. And also, it allows mixing use of new and old rods, which facilitates you to save maintenance and replacement costs in a great extent. And here comes some detailed information about our F40, which is a functional furnace. It can finish 3-unit restoration sintering within 3.5 hours, including the cooling time, which shortened by 4 times compared with the standard one. And the automatic cooling system can precisely identify the real-time temperature. When the temperature drops to 1472 Fahrenheit, the sintering table will drop 2 to 3 centimeters, just speeding up the cooling via the air circulation. And when the temperature drops to 932 Fahrenheit, the sintering table will drop another 2 to 3 centimeters. And the function not only improve the working efficiency, but also avoid the heat burns. And also, it's remain the editable program, and you are free to choose 100 faces as you like. And all the merits of the furnace show up in the extended sintering performance, as you can see in the pictures. It's beautiful and neither deformation nor crack. Okay, and at last, I want to mention here is that our R&D team keeps improving existing products while developing more new facilities, like our chairside milling machine and furnace. And we will update all new released information on our social platform. So don't forget to subscribe us on Facebook, Instagram to keep up with the information. And also you can contact us through our email, info@cdbesmile.com. Okay, and that's all I want to share today. Now let's move to the next step. If you had any questions, please feel free to ask. Thank you. Yes, of course, it's sold in USA. Can I use for normal prem if I have can I use the F40 furnace for normal program if I have a full arch? Actually, it's not recommended because if you use the alternate between the standard and the fast, it's harmful for the furnace, and it may speeding up the heating elements and rate. So it's better to use the furnace want to be. And okay, disk for what indications? 小荣，赵小荣 type answers. Let's like them. Nice. Any questions more? That isn't but now what dealer selling milling machine? Okay. What's the service life of the 5-axis mill? Our service life of all our machines are for 1 year. Excellent. Selling. Open too. Service life for 1 year. Okay.
就是打印，你直接用那个扫的那个带，那个打印模特和那个带型。
Oh. The wood disc will for the die model. Planning to make printer. Yes, we're on the way to make the 3D printer as well. So we will provide the whole chair side in the future. And if you are interested in us, you can contact us by email or follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Any more questions? What do you recommend, Davis? 他打的这是啥呀 ？Scanner 是啥呀？你问小荣啊？听说了吗？这个 What do you recommend, Davis? 这是 Davis。We recommend the scanner, infrared scanner from China because it's cheap, but it can reach your accuracy as well. So I recommend this infrared scanner from China, actually. If you have any more questions, you can contact our email at info@cdbesmile or follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Okay. Finish. Goodbye. Okay, and that's all our share today. And goodbye, everyone. See you next time.